In this video, I am going to show you how to install Kali Linux on the VMware player and run it live or make it install on the virtual hard drive. So just click on the player, Files, New Virtual Machine, click Installer Disk Image File, Browse. Then you have to select the downloaded file of the Kali Linux ISO file. Click Next. Depending upon the Linux versions you have selected earlier, the versions will be already selected here. If it is not selected appropriate version, then you can make it changes here. But for the Kali Linux, the kernel version is 2.6.9, so let it be as it is and click Next. Here you can change the name of the virtual machine, as I have changed Kali. Click Next. The maximum disk size for the Kali Linux is allocated here is 8 GB, but for the appropriate size will be more than 15 GB or at least 15 GB of size. Click Next, click Finish. Now the Kali Linux virtual machine is ready, but before running it up, you need to make some changes, because here you can see the RAM size is by default allocated of 256 MB. That is not sufficient for the virtual machines of Kali to boot it properly. So make it edit machine settings, make it at least 1 GB or minimum 512 MB depending upon the RAM size of your system, and leave everything as it is. Click OK. Now the setting is OK. Now click Play Virtual Machine. Okay, now you have been prompted with the Kali Linux boot menu. Here you can see there is a lot more options like live running options, forensic mode, USB persistence, and the install mode. If you want to install on your virtual hard drive, means the virtual machine, then you can install it graphical install, that is recommended. Or if you want to run it live, then you can make it live and run from here. But it is recommended to make it install on virtual machine, because the state will be saved and any software you download on the Kali Linux will be saved forever. So thank you and all the best.